Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get your special offer. Alright, today we're pitting two of the crypto world's heavyweights against each other. KuCoin versus Binance. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about Binance. This giant was founded in 2017 and quickly became the largest crypto exchange in the world by trading volume. It's like the Amazon of crypto exchanges. Binance boasts over 500 cryptocurrencies and tokens, so you'll never be short of options. Plus, it has some seriously impressive features like Binance Futures and staking, where you can earn passive income. However, let's not crown the winner just yet. Enter KuCoin. Also founded in 2017, KuCoin is often called the People's Exchange because of its user-friendly interface and high-quality customer service. They offer around 400 cryptocurrencies and have a unique feature called KuCoin shares. Holding these can get you some sweet trading fee discounts. Now, let's talk security. Binance has a solid reputation but did suffer a major hack in 2019, losing about $40 million. They covered the losses, but it was a bit of a scare. KuCoin also faced a significant hack in 2020, but they managed to recover most of the stolen assets. So it's a tie when it comes to bouncing back from setbacks. Fees, fees, fees. Binance generally offers lower trading fees at 0.1%, whereas KuCoin starts at 0.1% too. But you can reduce it further with those KuCoin shares. And if you're into trading on the go, both platforms have slick mobile apps that make trading a breeze. So, who takes the crown? Honestly, it's a close call and depends on what you're looking for. If you want a wide variety of coins and advanced trading features, Binance might be your go-to. But if you're after a more community-focused exchange with great customer service, KuCoin could be your best bet. That's it for today's showdown. Don't forget to hit that link in the description for your special offer. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which exchange you prefer. Until next time, happy trading.